Hi guys, I'm if you're looking at something that's well, first of all in BTRFS, and we're using Snapper, and we're at number 321, and I thought maybe it's a good thing I will check it out. And so here it is jumping from 0 to 3 to 39 and then a big jump, so it does not continue to go only indefinitely, keeping everything there. So even a timeline function is enabled. So let's have a look at some settings. So join me in learning about BTRFS. I've made tutorials about it already, but using the Garuda BTRFS assistant, yeah, that's something of course I need to learn as well, because the guys made this beautiful application. And as you see, one of the things that comes to mind already is the word timeline, right? Timeline. So 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. You see what's happening. So maybe we should just stop this. And this is activated already, so cleanup enabled. So that's I guess working, since we jump here from 0, 3, 39 to 145. So you can go back. Let's have a look at things. We are now 25, right? 25. Then apparently it didn't boot up in 24, or anyway, there were no updates possible as well. Did not do anything. 23, 22. But yeah, probably didn't boot up. Otherwise, timeline would have done something in 24. So it keeps around, and that's the major thing, right? 21. So it keeps about 4 days, 5 days of data, of backups, of snapshots. Basically, it's not. Yeah, it's a different way of looking at the file system, a snapshot. But anyway, I can go back in time, and I can really go back in time. Like this is 20. This doesn't say number 0, it doesn't say, but 20 probably I just installed everything. So a very recent installation. And this is the machine where I just installed like everything. All the applications that Calamaris provides are all installed. And we've made a new icon theme, and this is Papyrus Dark Tela. So that is covered. I will see what happens in the next days, but timeline should become, if and that's always a big if, right? It's think Plasma. Plasma has these buttons, right, to apply always at the bottom there. I always forget to do that, but apply, changes applied. Okay, Snapper timeline enabled is off. So we'll see the coming days if it's gonna be gone, this reference to timeline. Snapper cleanup is enabled, Snapper boot is enabled, BTRFS scrub enabled. All the rest I still have to figure out what it all is. I keep off until I know more, right? That's the best approach. Everything works, so why bother with going into things that might break things, because there are some elements that I've read already about that we shouldn't do, right? BTRFS subvolumes, the Snapper. Here is the same thing as the Snap-Lee, and the Snapper settings. That's something we can do, but we've told him not to do this, so that's okay for us, and we did not make a home config here. Well, I will see. Just keeping you posted that BTRFS, it's all possible in the next one. Well, basically now already, but in the next release of March. All right, cheers.